Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am Teacher Yaya. So for today, Teacher Yaya will teach you in art and craft. We will learn how to make a big tree using our finger. So let's start. Things we need are paper, palette, marker pen and watercolor. First, you take out your marker pen, or if you don't have marker pen, you also can use pen or pencil. Then, you draw a trunk and branch. Color the trunk using your pen, marker pen or pencil. Take out green watercolor and put onto the palette. Spill a bit of water and use your finger to mix the water and watercolor and stamp on the paper. We will use red watercolor to make flowers. That's all for today. Teacher hope you enjoy watching this video and you can do it too. So, see you again in the next video. Assalamualaikum. Bye.